Dream bigger and shop smarter by turning your credit card into your personal payment plan on Shopee. First, find that item you've been eyeing on Shopee and tap Add to Cart. Once you're ready, tap the shopping cart icon in the top right corner to review your order. Then tap Checkout. On the checkout page, look for the Payment Method section and tap on it. You'll want to select Credit, Debit Card as your payment option. Now, if you haven't added your credit card before, tap Add New Card and enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV if you already have a card saved. Simply select it from the list. Here's the magic part. Directly below your selected card, you'll see the installment plan option. Tap on this to reveal available installment plans for your purchase. Choose the installment period that best suits your budget, whether it's 3, 6, or even 12 months. You'll see the total cost broken down into manageable monthly payments, along with any applicable interest rates. Once you've chosen your preferred installment plan, confirm your selection. The total amount due will update to reflect your installment choice. Finally, take a moment to review everything, and when you're happy, tap Place Order to complete your purchase and start enjoying your new item with flexible monthly payments.